So I've been having a problem with trying to record satisfactory. For whatever reason, it's just bad and it cuts off, and the audio is like, not audio, the video is just low quality, and it's like the best thing I could do. So I hope you like it. I mean, the first half is alright, but this time, the audio will get like bad. Alright, I'm sorry, but I hope you like the video. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my factory. Well, this is not much of a factory from the start of it, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. This was originally a factory, but I tore it down because I want to make it bigger, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right here, so I'll figure that out in the future. But I do want to show you guys the other factories, I guess you can call them. I'll show you them right now, actually. Oh yeah, the power is right there. Power plants, or the coal plants. A truck that will deliver coal to them will travel all the way up here to over there by the space elevator. Collect coal over there. So if you back up, you'll go to, was it, the storage unit? Or a storage warehouse, or whatever you call it. I just call it a storage unit. It doesn't have a roof, and you guys both saw me build the third level in the last video, but the video didn't record. Kind of messed up. I need to stop this train. My game gets a little laggy every time recording. I don't know why. Just like that. Why is this train going? There you go. Come on, go faster. So, yeah, that third level on the top wasn't there. I did record me building it, but again, the recording didn't work. Now I'll tell you what's going on up here. So, okay, first one is going to be like random stuff. The second part will be plastic, and the third one will be fuel. You'll see why in a second. Get over here. Oh my god, so laggy. So, the fuel will go through here, go into the packager, and then the plastic will come out of the second, what is it, train station, come through here into the constructor and make canisters, and the oil will be put, not the oil, fuel will be put in the canisters to make packaged fuel. Then go in here. Oh yeah, all the random stuff will just go through here, and then it'll be put inside here. Why is it laggy like that? Oh no. Yeah, so pretty much like zigzag in and out of these. And go over here, zigzag, up, zigzag, over here, zigzag. And I think it goes up again, zigzag, and then it goes over here, third floor. I do have catwalks go up. Oh, I need to fix this. Alright, I can't fix it. That's fine. Yeah, so I have the second catwalk, third catwalk. It goes to this last floor. These two levels are, what, industrial storage units, and then the ones on top are just one. I'm planning on building a roof to finish this off. I should be able to reach it, right? They're flowing over here, but they're not going over here. Uh oh. Hold up. Oh, I'm an idiot. Hold on. Forgot to... There you go. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I like the windows up here so I can see my train station. Oh yeah, the water extractors go to the coal generators down there. So, okay, my game. I don't know if it's just the. Oh, you know what? Okay, I don't know why I say so much. I don't know. Let's go over here. I'll show you the two factories, I guess you could call them I have. I guess, I'm not sure. Go to train. Sweet. Oh, let's go. This is gonna be like a short video, I guess. I'm not sure, cause I don't know. I'm not sure what to do. I'm just giving you guys a tour. Yeah. But I do have a surprise coming up soon. Hopefully we get it working. I'm not sure. I hope so. Also, I love this train so much. It's so cool. I'm gonna try to automate the railway. Actually, I'm not sure if I can. It's just like the only way I can actually get around. I might have to get a car. Or not a car, a buggy or whatever it's called. We need to stop. I'll go this way first and then come back. Huh? Yes. Okay, let's go. Just got home from school. I just immediately started recording. Dude, school is boring. I don't know about you guys, but I get like super tired at school. Oh, let's go, let's go. Hope it works. Not sure. Alright. So here's the quartz area. So what this does, it has two constructors, one miner that makes raw quartz, or mines raw quartz. Then the constructor right here, or is this, right? Yeah, constructor makes quartz crystal. This one over here makes silica, I think it's called. Then they get added, or well, not they get merged together, put into the train, and it goes into the first one. That's all it does. Now, I can show you the last one. And this is actually how I get the fuel. So yeah. I guess, why did you get louder? Oh my god. It's like a long trip. It took me like, what, an hour to manage to do all this? Make the tracks over here. Okay. I think I fixed the lagging. Because I had it like in window mode instead of full screen. Because last time I did full screen, it wasn't recording it. So I think if I press record and then do it full screen, it should fix it. Hopefully. Yeah, you see it right there. Oh my god, why did it start lagging? We're not reading the first one, okay? There you go. I don't know why I have two stations here. Not two, yeah, two freight platforms. I just need one. So, oil gets extracted from here, it would be turned to plastic, and all the heavy oil residue from over here turned to fuel. Fuel will go through the pipes into the tanker. How much do I have here? 100? Just how much? Yeah, so that's about it for my factory. The video wasn't really just originally supposed to end there. There's supposed to be what I'll do in editing. There's supposed to be this amount of time left, but again, OBS just does not like me recording satisfactory, so it just cut off right there. So if you did watch until this part, I want you to comment trains, the word or the emoji. Pick one. Alright, well, I hope you liked the video. See you dudes later.